Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see me doing triangle parts, individual braids in my son's head. You will see me parting quite a bit because I'm very anal about my parting. I want the triangles to look like triangles, rather someone's looking from up close or far away. I don't want them to question like, is that a triangle or is that a heart? I want them to be able to say, wow, he got triangles all over his head. So I'm very anal about parting. I just want it to look the way that I want it to look. So you'll see me parting. If you're doing this hairstyle, part as much as you can or as much as you need to make it look the way you want it to look. And that goes for any hairstyle. This hairstyle lasted about 4 weeks. He wore a shower cap when he took a shower, and he wore a durag when he was asleep or just lounging around, laying around. He didn't want it to get frizzy. So if you want longevity with this hairstyle, I would suggest to tie it down, not get it wet, and that helps with the longevity and the upkeep of the hairstyle. Also, make sure you oil the scalp probably once a week to make sure it keeps some type of moisture and isn't causing any breakage, especially when you're keeping it tied down. You don't want the hair to dry out at all. I mean, I'm not saying it needs to be wet, it just needs to have some type of moisturizing on the hair. Also, you'll see me constantly moving my son's head around because he just couldn't keep his eyes off the television. I'm not hurting him at all. You will see in certain areas of the video where he's making a facial expression that's looking like he's going through pain. He is extremely tender-headed on his left side, so I tried to be as gentle as possible, but he just could not take certain parts of his head being, specifically his left side being braided. I'm also the same way. If you have a tender spot in your head, leave a comment below. I'm sure it's some type of reason or rhyme or reason on why, especially if it's the left side, because I'm right-handed, but my left side of my head is always tender-headed. So if you're maybe left-handed and your right side always hurt when you get it done, I'm really thinking that's really how it is, or it may just be that's just how it is. But I'm like, why is the left side always the tender spot for me? So if your side or you have a part in your head that is more tender than other sections of your head, please comment below and we could talk about this. We could talk about why that is and have a good time. Also, leave a comment below if you like this video, if you tried the tutorial, if you shared this video. Please leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'm bringing you great content. Subscribe. It will help my channel grow. Make sure you like, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave it at the comment below in the comment section, and I will get back to you. I will let you know any type of products you need to know about, how long a style may take to do, whatever you want to know. Leave a comment below and let me know. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Bye.
to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is